Here's our drowsy koala, snug and peaceful on the tree, drawn from these simple shapes, as easy as can be. Let's not wake our snoozy buddy, but don't worry, we won't. We're starting off super easy, just like always. These two simple shapes will be our secret blueprint for our snoozy koala's head and body. And we'll have those sleepy eyes and that cute little snout all sorted out in no time. So, do you think our little koala is really snoozing, or just pulling off a resting my eyes trick? Either way, it's looking absolutely adorable and chill. Did you know koalas sleep up to 20 hours a day? Their favorite food, eucalyptus leaves, doesn't give them much energy. So they need lots of rest to stay healthy and strong. If you had the chance, would you love to snooze like a koala? Or would you rather explore and play? Koala on a tree, so cozy and sweet, napping all day long with its fuzzy little feet. Cuddled up so cozy in the beautiful leafy tree. What a comfy life, so relaxed and carefree. Koala in the tree, all cuddled up tight, napping through the day and dreaming through the night. Look at our sketch. It's looking amazing. Now let's add some marker magic and make it even more spectacular. Let's add those clean, bold lines. All the sketch details are there, so no need to wait any longer. I hope our sleepy koala wakes up soon. It's missing out on seeing how awesome you are with those amazing marker lines you're adding to this already epic sketch. And tell me, you peeptacular peep, what do you think we should name our sleepy koala friend? Let's pick a name. That's as cool as your epic drawing skills. Now that our adorable koala is finished, let's focus on the comfy tree it's snoozing on. Time to make that tree just as cool. And tell me, what's your favorite spot to curl up for a nap? We can't forget those leaves. When our little friend wakes up, it will need a tasty snack to munch on. So, let's make sure it's all set for a delicious wake-up. This sleepy little koala is ridiculously adorable. Now, picture it in your favorite colors. Here's how I gave mine a splash of fun. And guess what? There are even more fabulous free videos like this one. Just hop over to scribblepeeps.com. Bye.